Hey everybody, just wanted to come by and check up on you guys, see how you guys are doing. We'll be coughing throughout this whole thing. Ooh. So, what I wanted to do was I wanted to give you guys a chance to see some of the products that I have for Pink Zebra. So, the first thing that we'll start with are the sprinkles. Here's a carton. It's actually this big. And here's a jar. So what you do is you'll take the little spoon, which I'll show you in a minute. And you take the little spoon. You can take this flavor, or, which I'm about to do, is take this. This is Apple Blossom. Take it, and with the warmer that they gave me for my starter kit, right here, it has a little Pink Zebra thing in there. I'm going to take 2 of the things, of the scoops, and put it in here. Depending on how much of a smell you want, you can have, I have True Lavender, and I have Apple Blossom right now. So, that is what Pink Zebra is. It's these little sprinkles that you put in your warmer for between $9 to $30. Put it in your warmer and they will melt. I don't know if you can already see that they're melting. And they smell so good. They last throughout the whole entire night if you leave it on at night, or the whole entire day. So that's what that is. Also, I'm going to make one for myself, just because they give you, not only do you do like the warmers, but you can also do, here is for candles. This is the outside part, and then here's the candle that goes inside. And then it comes with wicks. So, here's that. I'll show you in a minute how to make a candle. So what you do is, we are going to make an Apple Blossom candle. They have these little candle kits with the wick. And let's put this down so you can see. Let's see if you can. Probably not. I'll probably have to hold it up. Sorry guys, I've been sick. Again. And again. And again. So you put the candle, the wick in like that. And what you want to do is sprinkle some. Not too much though, because it melts and it gets bigger than what it shows. So you want to do about, I say 3 scoops. Like that. So that is another way that you can use these pink sprinkles. Me, I like to warm them, so this will be going back in there. Ain't I nice and chatty? Can't really talk, but yeah, so that's how you do that. Now, when you have a party, you have the option to do both. You can either get a warmer or you can get a candle. Or, what else they do is they give you, we have like at least like 6 to 8 of these cartons, and it depends on the flavor or the type. If you want a spa night, or if you want something that is more to like fruity or even outdoorsy, we'd pick those, buy the cartons for you, and what you would do is you would take an empty jar like this and fill it up with your favorite scents. So we have that option too. So that's what pink sprinkles are, or pink zebra sprinkles are. And then I showed you the stuff. We have multiple flavors and scents and smells that I have samples of all of them, from campfire to Bath and Body. Like, I have them all separated to beach theme. There's cake. There's garden. There's different things that I have categories of. And you could easily smell them and just order from there, or you can order online. I know that a lot of people don't like to be hassled and don't like to, be bothered with whatever. So just go to Leticia Pena 20 or www.pinkzebrahome.com, Leticia Pena 23S, and you can easily order from there. And hey, more power to you. I know that I don't like to be hassled, and I don't like to, be made to like something. So, but if you want to try it, like, there is some cheap stuff on here. So there's Soaks. Here's a newer product from Pink Zebra. Soaks is oil. This one smells like lavender vanilla. And we have Soaks to go cards. So what you do with the Soaks to go cards is, here's an American flag, because that's made in America. So what you do is you undo the top, you take this, add a few drops. The inside isn't taken off. That shows you how much I use this. I haven't got to use it, and I just got it. So, oh, that smells so good. This would be so good in your car. Guys, I'm serious. So what you do is you take a few drops, like that. You see there, it's all at the bottom. Close it up. And what you do is you just rub it. So then, after you're done rubbing it, you take it out. My hands are slippery with oil. You take it out. Ta-da! And it's soaked into, it's not dripping or anything, but it soaks into, see, it's drying up. It'll make your car smell so good. So that's another thing that you can do. You could like even leave it in there and just have it soaking until you're ready to use it, which I'm going to do. Another thing you can do with soaks is they have lotion and they have soap. So what you can do is you can take this lotion and pour this, I don't want to pour it in here yet, but pour this into here, and you'll be able to shake it up and put it on your skin. It's that easy. And not only that, but it's that safe. So you don't have to worry about like chemicals or anything. So that is all I believe that I have. You can also use the oil as a spray. I've seen some people use it for their jewelry. We offer jewelry, and we also offer things for dogs, like little tags for dogs that you can put the oil on so they can smell really pretty. And they smell like, oh my god, that smells so good. It smells like vanilla. Oh, I should have put that on the lotion. I might have to. So, what do you guys think? I love it. I love it. I don't know. I fell in love with this like 2 months ago, and I've been keeping this my little secret. And so now I'm sharing it with you guys. I am using the products, I'm using the samples, I'm using everything to do my own stuff at home. And it is the best thing that I've ever bought. Like, literally. Like, the smells and the, and everything, it just smells so good to me. Even though I keep coughing, like, seriously, guys, this is a really good thing to have in your house. They have wine bottles that are warmers. They have beer mugs, casino things. They have like so many things that you could do. Or you can get, for the soakies, they don't just have cards for your car. They also have soakies that are shaped like ballerinas. And basically what it is like a stuffed animal with wood, and you soak it up with your oil, and it smells up the room without having any fire or any light bulbs. You could have your kids around it, you know, as long as they're not eating it. I'm sure that it's perfectly safe around them. So, check everything out, guys. Even if you're not going to buy it, like, check it out, because you might like it. You might want to do it yourself, or you might like it and want to buy. It's a great company to be at. They offer incentives. They offer trips. And everybody's invited for these trips. Everybody. So, I'm sorry, guys. So, if you guys want, give it a try. I like them. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye.